Welcome to Bakwaas with Bigfoot. And today, we're going for an Uttarakhand trip.
Can you book one bus ticket for Uttarakhand for tomorrow morning?
Yes, for the 8:15.
Bigfoot. B-I-G. No, it's just one word.
Woohoo! What a ride! This is amazing! I love the wind in my fur.
All right, Nainital Lake. Check this out, pure magic, right? You've got the calm waters and everyone here.
Whoa, look, this isn't just a lake, this is the beating heart of Nainital. You can feel it, right? The very
This lake, it's pure poetry. Just floating, so peaceful.
All right, it's time to dive into some serious local taste. We're taking corn on the fire, that's desi style, baby.
You guys, this isn't just corn, this is Nainital corn on the fire, desi style.
Okay, you guys, this is Rajaji National Park. And look at this, a real-life traffic jam.
All right, folks, quick update from the wild. We're now at Shanti Kunj. This is a major spiritual hub in Haridwar, massive university.
All right, quick pan. We're inside Shanti Kunj now, and the energy shift is undeniable.
All right, check this out. Haridwar from above. Absolutely insane. First up, we'll hit some key spots, explore a bit.
You know, from up there, you don't just see a city. You see history breathing.
That's it. Fresh, clean, ready.
The purity of this Ganga Aarti, it washes over you, like the sacred river itself, cleansing the soul.
Kedarnath, horseback. Look at this crowd. Everyone's heading up. Views are insane. Whoa, look at this power in Kedarnath. Be careful, but incredible, right?
Gazing upon Kedarnath, one can truly feel the powerful presence of Lord Shiva, the temple's revered deity.
Har Har Mahadev. Jai Bholenath.
Oh Mahadev, my soul finds peace at your feet. Guide me. Wow, look at this. Chopta is incredible. Tonight, we find the best spot to see the stars.
Chopta, sunset, fish on. Look at this. Bakwaas with Bigfoot, living the dream. Catch you later.
Yes, man!
Chopta vibes, music's on. But seriously, I'm starving. Desi fish time. Let's eat.
Energy boost after that epic desi fish. This Chopta camping? Unforgettable. The real deal. Ah, the morning view in Rishikesh. So fresh, so pure.
Welcome to my forest home. As you can see, it's very peaceful here. I often come here to meditate.
This bloom, a mountain's secret. Here at Hemkund, silent.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Fresh, clean. Badrinath by Superbike. Mountains calling. Let's conquer.
All right, quick stop. Standard procedure here. All of us chasing that Himalayan magic. Small step to Badrinath. Respect the journey. Find balance. Accident update. Badrinath climb on hold. New path. So let's move for village life in Uttarakhand.
Look, heartbeat of Garhwal, these crops. Life from the earth. Real India. Amazing. Incredible. Pure village life. Bamboo crafts, water carriers, community, self-sufficiency. Beautiful. Amazing.
This is the magic. Look at this view. Village hospitality, pure Uttarakhand heart, unforgettable.
See how they move their hands now? This is a very important part of the story they are telling.
Incredible, look! Men and women together, pure Uttarakhand spirit, electrifying.
Behold, the soul of this land, women of strength, prosperity carried, a living poem, sublime.
This is life itself. Rhythm of harvest. Hard work, every hand. Pure, honest. Respect.
Oh my goodness, this little one. And the smells, fresh masala, the real way. Heart of a home, beauty of Garhwal.
Oh, the food smells wonderful.
Wow, this food. And look, moonlight, kids playing, Uttarakhand by night.
Pure peace, Uttarakhand magic. That's a wrap. Like and subscribe for a new place. Stay tuned.